What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I mean, I know it's been a while. I haven't not been buying sneakers. I've just been more strategic with my purchases. I haven't been buying stuff early. I've been wilding out less, catching stuff on release. As you see, we're talking Taxi 12s today, heavily slept on. How times have changed. I love it. Thank you to all the young fellas that think Jordans are dad shoes now. Hey, I'll roll with it. Keep buying your Gel 1130s. Keep doing it, please. So it's so easy to get these, and they keep dropping below retail. What a time to be an actual lover of sneakers and not some fucking hype beast. So we're gonna take a look around them. I want to rock them today. I got a fit. I got some black cargo zip, True Religions on, and I want to rock these bad boys. I mean, one of the greatest J's ever. Taxi 12s. I mean, I'm not surprised they're sitting. Again, a gift to all us old heads that still love J's, right? So let's take a look around them. Let's kick it. So, OG style box, Air Jordan 12 Retro, white black taxi. My true size of 8.5. Has the Nike check on the top because it is an original colorway, so no Jumpman. Looks just like my OG box of my Obsidian 12s that I used to have, which now we just need an Obsidian Retro. The last one was 2012. It was shit. I didn't buy it. I had the OGs. I never got the low tops that came out in the 2000s. And then the 2012 release, I was not doing it. They were junk. They were shit quality. I mean, I literally had the originals in hand to compare, so it was like, ooh, this is shit compare. So now, if I can get this quality out of an Obsidian, hopefully next year, maybe late next year, we can get that. We'll have all 5 original colors. So now, what is different is the originals came with black paper. That is different. The originals had black paper, but let's grab one, shall we? We just need one. So I inspected my pair already. No flaws or anything crazy that I can notice. Start on the bottom as per usual. Taxi yellow and black carbon fiber shank plate. Taxi yellow 23 red Jumpman. Super, super iconic. Boy, this was all the hype. I was in 6th grade, 7th grade when these came out. These specifically, late 6th grade, I want to say. And then into 7th grade was when the playoffs and the flu games came out, because we had the cherries and these during the season. And then the playoffs and the flu games. Well, the flu games came out late season, something like that. But I mean, this was the launch colorway. And then as we work our way up, because I have the royalties, which is, I know people like to clown the royalties. Royalties are fire. Difference with the royalties, all this is in gold. Laces are black. Jumpman's in gold. This is all white instead of red and taxi yellow, which love the back end here. Always have. And then that's a black and white carbon fiber shank. It's a white Jumpman, and I want to say this is white as well, but it's an alteration variation of this. Is it super redundant and kind of odd that I bought these even though I have the royalties? Sure, but of course I'm going to get the taxis when they drop, right? So the leather quality on these are decent. They're on par with what we've gotten from the Mellow 12s, the white and university blue. They're on par with what we got with flu games, I find. The leather is better than the Wolf Grays or the Barons, whatever they want to call them. That leather was a little different on the Wolf Grays. I wish they would have been more like these. So it has a plushness to it. Obviously nothing like the originals. They're not super, super plush, but, the tumbling is actually quite nice with polyurethane coating. This feels a little plasticky. The kind of reptile scaling print on here, this actual piece does feel a little plasticky and cheap. And it's a super, super thin cut. As you can see right here, just super, super thin cut. But I mean, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. As we move around the medial side, more of the same. Plastic eyelets. To this day, I don't know why they don't use the metal eyelets of the originals. They never have. They never went back to the metal eyelets. And for the life of me, I don't know why. I know it's not some super expensive manufacturing cost. Whatever. But the tongue doesn't seem all pleathery. Seems like they pretty much the exact same leather as what's on the side, so it shouldn't squeak or anything like that. You know, nice broad Jumpman and 2-3 going down. Black sock liner, full length zoom that you can feel directly under the insole, which I believe we got Dream Cell and not polyurethane. Yeah, it's Dream Cell. So standard fare stuff. Black Dream Cell. That's okay. The reason it's okay, and I'm not griping about it not being polyurethane, is you can feel the full length zoom underfoot. These are very comfortable for being tanks and boots and clunky at first and start off stiff and all the things people say about them. Under your foot, nice and comfortable. They definitely are. I love. Jordan 12 is my favorite shoe of all time. I was in Chicago 2 weeks ago, roughly 2 weeks ago, and I brought my flu games with me. I wore the flu games while I was out there, and I was on my feet all day, and they were just fine, you know. And of course, this insole is not cooperating to go back in because God forbid it just be easy and slide on in like I need it to. There we go. Kind of. Almost there. One moment, please. Wow. It's actually kind of being a pain in the ass. Very surprised here. Trying to get it lined up. There we go. Finally got it lined up. So, you know, not the fan favorite it once was, apparently. That's become very apparent here with the way this release has been treated. I still cannot believe these are sitting. I mean, I can and I can't at the same time, because it's like, this is one of the we want this shoes. For the longest time, it was we got to have them, bring them back. 2013 was the last time, and you know, people griped and griped and griped. In the '08, you had the countdown pack ones, and here we go. We got a proper retro, and they're sitting in easy as shit for people to go get. And hey, I'm for it. I'm for it. Keep letting it happen. Expect the worst for the Gamma 11s, though. It's something about those holiday 11s every year that these dumbasses that weren't even alive for when the Gamma 11s and Gamma 12s came out, they're going to make it tough. They're going to make it difficult. It might be, it won't be the reimagined Metallic 5s. I don't think we're going to see anything do what the Metallic 5s did, which I still can't believe they did that. Like, there's still resales like in the mid to high 300s in my size, and I ain't paying that. We're at a point now, if you're paying over retail, it better be super limited pairs. Like I was in 2024, that was more of a thing. In 2025, that has dropped off. In 2026, I let foams sit now. Like there's a bunch of newer foams I haven't grabbed yet because I'm letting the price drop. Last video I did on this channel, triple white foams, I waited till them bitches got to 130 on the Shoe Palace and I scooped them up. Love them. But we're going a little off on a tangent, right? It's been a little while since I've talked sneakers with you guys. I'm just really excited that this is the shoe that I'm coming back to. If you're interested in seeing a video of my favorite pickups in the last couple of months since I've been away, we can do that. Ferrari 14s, Fire Red 5s, Grape 5s. Like I said, I've been grabbing all the things, right? I've been grabbing all the things I consider to be heat. That's for sure. I got the, Chicago low Jordan 1s coming. I'm still grabbing the ones I deem most important to make sure I grab. So if you want to see any of that, any of the recent pickups, even beyond, I mean, it won't just be some retro J's. There's other stuff I've picked up, Pegasus Premiums and Vomeros and stuff like that. Like I've got a variety of things that I've picked up, that Molten Red, Molten Lava, New Balance 990 V6s I grabbed a while back. As soon as those dropped, I bought those. But so, and like I said, let me know if you want to see favorite pickups in the last 3 months or whatever, and we'll just go over that instead of me just, hey, I know this, nobody cares about these because they came out 3 months ago. Here's a video. So this is a space where if you don't do it right around release time, nobody cares. When it comes to content, nobody cares. That's been my experience. So I appreciate you guys for coming to check out the video, though. Make sure to like and subscribe before you leave, and ready to get these bad boys on feet. Have a good one.